Assalamu alaikum, AFA family. Welcome. I'm excited to share with you a tradition that I have been doing with my kids and my family for a few years now. And the idea behind this tradition was to create a kit, and we called it the Ibadah Kit. And so this is my kit. It's called Mommy's Ibadah Kit because it's mine. And we decorated our kits any way that we wanted. And I put a little star and a moon on mine. And I've been using this one since Ramadan 2015, right? So about 5 years now. And the purpose of an Ibadah kit is to have one place where you put all the items that you want to have when you're ready to sit down in Ramadan and do your Ibadah, and you don't want to be having to go around looking for things, getting distracted by that. And so I'm going to share with you today some of the items I have in my kit and some things that you might want to put into your own to tailor it to you. Okay, so in my kit, I have my Mus'haf, my Quran, that I can read and I know where it's going to be every time I need it. I also have, a journal for me to take notes on and reflections and write about something I may have heard, read, listened to, or reflect on the ayahs that I've read and so forth. So it's really important to have a reflection journal in your kit so that you can track what you're learning and experiencing. I also have a little book of dua and hadith, okay? And that helps me keep reading and learning and remembering the hadith and sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now, an Ibadah kit makes it really easy because sometimes you want to do Ibadah with your whole family. And when we do that, we all bring our own kits to the area that we're in and we have what we need. But sometimes you might just need to be in your room for a quiet moment and you can just take your kit and have everything you need in it and take it straight to where you want to be. Sometimes you might want to go outside. So do your dhikr, do your Ibadah outside. So in my kit, I have a little sajada that I can put if I'm going to go somewhere else. So I can take that with me easily. I also have a tasbih for me to do my dhikr. And I also, don't forget your pen. Sometimes you might want to have just a little something to make things smell good. Personal choices. Now I'm going to reach over here. Now my kids, they have their own things. For example, one of my daughters has her hijab in her kit at all times, so she's ready to go with it. And my son, his kufi and his sajada, right? And so another thing that I would encourage you to put is a goals sheet. Now, you may have it in your journal, or you might print one out. But the goals sheet is really important because it helps you stay focused throughout the month of Ramadan. If you can sit down and make your goals, write what it is you're trying to achieve, maybe even write some special du'as you want to learn, then you have everything you need to do your Ibadah throughout the month. Wishing you and your family a very blessed month of Ramadan. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.